Halloween. Just like
Literally.
that.
No, this is really cool. This is really cool because Halloween, it's the 40th anniversary of Halloween. That trips me out. That trips me out.
Has it felt like 40 years?
No. For anybody who's lived a few years, which I'm guessing a few of us have, you know, that.
It's like
1 minute you're 19, one minute
blink,
you're 60.
And you feel the same on the inside.
No question.
Right.
Duh. I came out like doing a slow clap.
You came out doing a slow
Talking
clap.
about eating a bowl of cereal. I mean, there I am, frozen in my life at 19. So yes, it's an exciting, listen, it's a very scary movie. I think you will find it so. It comes out on the 19th of October. It's intense.
It's like a restart of the whole thing, right? Don't they? It's like as if the other sequels didn't exist.
Yes, it is truly a story about trauma. You know, what happened to Laurie Strode, what happens to anybody in these movies is traumatic. And so it's really a study of trauma untreated, somebody who never got any help from mental health professionals. And so you see a woman who's been trapped with this trauma for her entire life, and it's ruined her life. She's lost her daughter. She has no relationships because she is traumatized.
Did Danny McBride write this?
Danny McBride co-wrote it with David Gordon Green. I know he's funny.
I know.
That's not what you
I find
wouldn't connect
that really.
that.
Do you know what I mean? Unless it was a comedic version, I wouldn't think that.
No, but it's intense.
He's got a dark side.
Well, yes, and
Apparently.
I will tell you, the movie is incredibly intense and very simple in its telling.